Let us now see yada sarve kamaha pramuchyante. Kamaha. Then what happens? Yada. Yada means when that knowledge takes place. Where is that address of the kama? So ye will go with sarve. Yada asya hridi. Hridi means mind. They are in the mind. Shritaha, mind. They are in my mind. New desires come up. I think I should open a very big factory. What are you going to make? I think I am going to make. I have thought of making a kind of wig. Along with the mustache and beard. Wig along with the matching that mustache and beard, it will come with that. So invisible wire will be there, like the braces have invisible wire nowadays. Similarly, there will be invisible wire. So every day you can change your wig and mustache and beard. So by yourself, you are already clean from the top. Now have a clean shave. So one day you will have French beard. One day you will like mustache like that. This I am contemplating to make like that. Lot of money is in that area. Wig business is lot of money. Big money in wig. Well, if all these desires are not there, ath martyo amrito bhavati. Martyo means that seeker, amrito bhavati. That means he is, amrita means he knows the self. Then what happens? Atra brahma samashnute, he attains the Brahman. Same thing is mentioned in Sthit Pragya Lakshana. Prajahati yada kaman. बोलो भाई. Second chapter. Prajahati yada kaman. बोल नहीं रहा. सर्वान पार्थ मनोगतान आत्मन्नेवात्मना तुष्टः स्थित प्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते. Bhagavan says one who is fulfilled in himself by himself. He doesn't leave desire. There is no point in having desire. You don't desire the dream house. You don't desire the dream child. It is also false. What is there to desire in it? Or you desire something. So two causes are there of not desiring. First thing, mithyatva nishchay. In the world, the sense of illusory nature. And second thing, purnatva anubhuti in the self. Sense of completeness in the self and sense of illusion in the not self. क्या desire करें? Then nothing is there. Then he is simplicity. He will not work. He may work, he may not work. He is not bound to work. But he will not work for joy. He will work out of joy. This is called Jivan Mukti. Okay. So there is no, then anger has gone, jealousy has gone, lot of all anxiety has gone, all subsequent problems have gone now. New जो problems आ रही थी, lot of problems. I told you infinite things are there with that. With every desire there are infinite desires associated. Matter won't be over there. क्या भगवान ने बनाया? So everything is nipped in the bud now. One Mahatma was there in Vrindavan somewhere. He was sitting under a tree. They said, "Where do you live?" बोले बस यहीं रहते हैं बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे. Bargat banyan tree. So his name became Bargadiya Baba. So he used to live under a tree, under a banyan tree. नहीं हो गया उनका. Once you have the joy of meditation, joy of puja, joy of jap, joy of satsang, slowly in your life you will find that what I was very fascinated by, what I was charmed by, what I was mad after, I don't know what happened to me, I don't want it now. I'm fine, I don't want it. You are wanting to travel? No, I don't want to travel. You are fine here? Yes, I'm fine in my room. You wanted to travel, in the flight in various countries. You liking the takeoff and landing, all this. You liked a lot. No, no, not now. You wanted to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I was wanting. You wanted to think about grandchild. Nothing. I, happy, very happy. Very happy. Just little room is required, small room, and food thrice a day. Simple food, not any complicated food. बस इतना काफी है. Some books are required, meditation and a satsang is there, good satsang. I think that is enough for my life. I don't need anybody now. I'm talking about seeker, not talking about the Jnani. Jnani does not want satsang also. If he get, he'll be happy, but not that is not urgency for him. It's not mandatory for him. He will be inside. He is there. Puja is also not mandatory for him. He may do, he may not do. He may go for temple darshan, he may not do go. Odi Baba was there, he was in Vrindavan. So many times he did not go to Banki Bihari for 3 months, 4 months. So they said, Baba, people are talking bad about you that you are not coming to Banki Bihari. He said, हाँ चलो आज चलते हैं. Today let us go. So they went there. I mean, he saw like that. Eyes used to get closed. He went to Samadhi. Then somebody said, Baba, in front of the temple always you should stand like this. These people, those Swami, they will accuse you of this thing. Oh, sorry. And again Samadhi's hand used to be. So 2 people used to hold his hand. उनको क्या है? He used to say, भाई हमारा तो दग्ध रथ न्याय है. That is some न्याय called दग्ध रथ न्याय. Last day of the Mahabharat, earlier Bhagwan was coming down from the chariot. He used to hold hand of Arjun and then both used to go. Last day he said, don't, you come down first, I'll come down later. So Arjun came down. Later on Bhagwan came down. The moment Bhagwan came down, whole chariot blasted and burnt into fire. Arjun said, what's well, so much weapons they have been throwing on the chariot. It would have been dead long back. I was holding it. But tomorrow, because we don't need the chariot, therefore I get so let it get burnt. So for this Jnani, there is no compulsion to do certain things, certain ritual. He may not. He may not. He may do after Namaskar, he may not. He may lie down, he may not lie down. It is free. He may work very dynamically, he may not work at all. Don't imitate that. It is not for imitation. Well, I think I'm also like that. You are lazy, number one. So don't compare that lifestyle. They have to come to that lifestyle. Many births they have gone through. To come to the stage where meditation is not required, you have gone through hundreds of hours of meditation. They are not lazy. They are abiding in the self. But because their practice is there of the last, therefore again they start. Okay. Again they start. This is their way. Okay. Second mantra, 15 mantra, same thing is put in another words. Yada sarve prabhidyante, प्रभिद्यन्ते हृदयस्य ग्रन्थयः अथ मर्त्युमृतो भवति एतावध्यनुशासनम् यदा सर्वे प्रभिद्यन्ते हृदयस्येह ग्रन्थयः अथ मर्त्युमृतो भवति एतावध्यनुशासनम्. Here new word has been coined by Mr. Yamraj. What is the new word? He has coined the word Hridaya Granthi. Granthi. Granthi means knot. Knot. Knot means which is not there. Is appearing that. Knot. Like tie has double knot, triple knot, single knot. You've seen the tie. Double knot. Not put on tie. Very Stanley gone. So every day he puts on tie. So yada sarve prabhidyante. Bhit means to break, cut. 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 What is cut? Granthi, Granthi. What is many Granthaya plural is there. So what is that? Granthi means what? So our Bhashyakar writes one commentary. He said Granthi va drid bandhan rupaha avidya pratyaha. Like which is very difficult to untie. If something is very old knot is there. Supposing you have a series of ropes are there. Many ropes are there. Many ropes. And they had been for hundreds of years tied with each other. And they are buried also. And they have lot of water also. And then if you are asked to untie, I immediately give it to somebody. You can't untie that. And some people like that. They keep on struggling. So we have lot of, so it is difficult to untie that. This is one meaning. One meaning is there. What is the another meaning which is beautiful meaning? Also Bhaskar writes Ahamidam Shariram. Remember there is something called RC, reflected consciousness, which was made from OC and mind. Mixing of OC and mind is called Granthi. Not K-naughty, which is very naughty, and it is not also. Why? Actually, original consciousness is all pervading, and mind is very less pervading. Both cannot mix, but it has appearing to be mixed. Mixing is not possible, but it is perceptible. Perceptibility without possibility is called illusion. In Singapore, I had my Dakshinamurti Yagna. So somebody said, if you write Dakshinamurti, they won't understand. Give some theme, something catchy in English. I don't like all that, but they say, otherwise they have their own mind. So I said, okay, write that. Deception, perception and conception. Arey wow. Rhyme is so good. Deception. Well, let me first write. They write first, understand later on. Well, what did you say? Deception, conception and perception. Very good. So that they wrote talks on deception, conception and perception. I said write Dakshinamurti also. So bracket Dakshinamurti Stotra. So So the granthi is there. The pure consciousness is infinite, without part. Mind is with part or without part? With part. Now without part cannot mix with part, but it is mixing. Because every day I say I am sad, I am happy, I am so tall, I am so thin, I am so going fat and fatter. 2 square meals a day makes me round. So, so, so this mixing of the partless with the part is not possible but perceptible. So perceptibility without possibility is called illusion. अच्छा देखो और सुनाते हैं आपको. This body actually is dead only. It's just a matter of flesh, bones. This is totally inert. This body is nothing but phosphorus, calcium, carbon dioxide, and what is magnesium, potassium. यही सब है body में और क्या है? This is what doctors ask you to eat. Well, calcium is there in that, phosphorus is in that. Acha, in jaggery you should eat regularly jaggery. Jaggery is very important because jaggery has phosphorus. If you are having cold, you should eat jaggery in the morning with the hot water. Jaggery should be eaten. Jaggery is very important to eat. Acha bhai, well, phosphorus is there. If you have cold, that means phosphorus is less. Okay, I think you are having calcium deficiency. Osteoporosis is there. You have a severe high decay osteoporosis is there. So you need to have calcium. You need to have potassium. Banana has lot of potassium. You have to have iron. Therefore take spinach also. Spinach has, guava has more iron than spinach also. Guava. So take guava also. Okay. And take pomegranate also. If you take dates also. All these are metals, elements. The body is a dead body. It's just one packet of 5 elements. But it walks. It laughs. It dances also. क्या डांस है? It cries also. कौन? ये what? This won't dance. What? This. But this and this are same actually. This and this, this and this are same. Only thing this is like a sophisticated machinery is there. But moment the prana goes away, both are same now. There is no difference in that. But because of the touch of life in it, it is live body. Live body. How? Granthi आ गई. Granthi क्या आ गई? I am this body. If you had stopped on I am, the knot would have been formed. You didn't stop on I am. You added a suffix. You could have just I am. No, how can I? My experience is not I am. I am happy is my experience. I am sad is my experience. I am man is my experience. I am woman is my experience. I am a growing person. Not mentally, physically I mean. I am teenager. I am getting old. All the time, this bones etc. keep you reminding. You're not that young now. Eyes will remind you, ears will remind you, hairs will remind you. Body is very good reminder, gentle reminder and harsh reminder also. You are not that young now. Acha, I am getting old. I am 40 plus now. 40 plus, yes. Plus in the early 40s or late 40s. But don't ask too many questions, That means you are in late 40s, okay. So, now I'm just 25 running. I'm just Not old, I'm just 20. I'm not even 20 also. This moment you put, one day you will discover I am 50. I am dash. This dash portion. And I am is a consciousness. Dash portion is the inert. Both are got sufficiently mixed up. No, you cannot take out both. Very difficult to take out both. This is called Granthi. Bhashkar writes, Ahamidam Shariram Mamedam Dhanam Sukhi Dukhi Chahamiti Evamadi Lakshanaha Tad Viprita Brahmatma Pratyayopajanat Brahmev Ahamasmi Asansari Iti. So what is there now? This is not in their book. It is not there. What is this now? Now he is mine now. Lo. Ye Granthi ka after effect. He is mine. First I am a Granthi. First I am Granthi. I add another Granthi on that Granthi. On one thing is knot, I put another knot on that top of another knot. What? She is my wife. So what are you? I am a human being. I am a human being is one Granthi. Please see at my point. I am a human being, one knot. I am a good human being, another knot. I am an engineer, another knot. I am a high earning engineer, another knot. I am brilliant, another knot. I am a dull engineer, another knot. Okay, I am a good looking, intelligent engineer but a dull husband, another knot. He is my son. She is my second daughter. Acha, हाँ. I am going to become father. I am going to become an officer. You are adding one after another knot after knot on this fundamental knot. What are you doing? What problem you have if I have the knot? Kathopanishadji, hello, Yamraj is speaking. Huh? You are saying knot is not good, but what problem you had, Mr. Yamraj, if I have the knot? Because that knot will not sit quietly. It will create lot of desires, because that thisness which is associated will be finite. It want to expand that this. Whole world life we are doing only this expansion program. Actually you are trying to expand your identity through this bigger house. One children. You are trying to expand that knot only. I am the father of one child. Now I am the father of 3 children. Why third child? Because I am feeling better, bigger. Now I had only one room earlier I had. Now I have 3 room, 3 BHK I have. I had only one car. I have now 4 cars. 3 don't work. And this is my expansion. I have visited Europe. Now this time I am going to visit Southeast Asia. Far East. Far East होते हैं ना, Southeast. Singapore, Thailand, Southeast. अब Southeast, I am going to travel to Southeast. I have made the itinerary where I am going to Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. After that I will going to that Thailand. And this is this present. After next year, I'll go to Australia. I want to go to Melbourne and Sydney and Auckland also. What Auckland is in New Zealand? I'll go there. And Burgington also I'll go. Burgington? What is that place? I want to travel far. You are just doing your expansion of this. By expanding this, you want to expand I. In this process of expansion, you will get blood pressure, you will have problem, you will have sadness, and anybody who cuts you, you will feel sad. This is your whole life. Whole life is Granthi expansion program. That is what you are doing. And ultimately, Ram Nam Satya, that body source, then it has gone now. You will now go some other place. You start your expansion program another place. Therefore, scriptures are saying that joy which you get in expansion. What is expansion? Definition of joy? Sense of expansion of self was called joy, if you remember. Now, to get expanded, therefore you are doing everything. But I discovered that expansion is my own nature. Therefore, I don't need to go anywhere. I don't need Granthi. Cut it. Yada sarve prabidyanti, cut it. How to cut it? By knowledge. Why? Because this Granthi is not real. It is not a physical knot. It's intellectual misconception. And therefore, intellectual misconception will go by intellectual knowledge. यदा सर्वे प्रविद्यन्ते हृदयस्य, कहाँ की ग्रंथि है? हृदय ऑफ द माइंड. ग्रंथयः अथ मर्त्यो. अब दिस हैज बीन कट. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? मर्त्यः अमृतः भवति. ही बिकम्स इमॉर्टल. Immortal means what? Infinite. Not becomes. He realizes that I don't have anything. This body is not mine. Body itself is a big question mark. This belongs to Panchamahabhut. I am just taking it for fueling. Actually, I am that consciousness which has nothing to do with the body. This body's appearance on me. This body is an incidental appearance for a short time on me, the consciousness. Actually, I am not in body. Body is in me. Not only one body, but all bodies are in me. This is one body I am claiming, but I am actually the pure consciousness in which bodies are coming and going. I am the same. This is the knowledge. This is called cutting of the knot. When body lies, I don't lie. When body walks, I don't walk. When mind is happy, I am not happy. When mind is sad, I am not happy. I have nothing to do with these 2-3 things which is so close. I am disclaiming it. Then who are you? I am that pure self in which there is no coming, no going, no sitting, no standing, no birth, no death, no hunger, no thirst, no relation, no sadness, no happiness, no desire. This is called cutting of the Granthi. This is called abide in that. I hope you are clear. He said to me, Are you must have said to body. Why are you taking it on yourself? Sometimes you are in a car and your glass are closed and somebody splashes water on the glass. You will move also. Once I was traveling with somebody, one bridge came. That person bent his head in the car. Something is happening to the body. You are taking it on yourself. हम लोग विचित्र हैं भैया. When you realize how much mistakes are at intellectual level, you will be happy to realize that. You have to realize. Yamraj ji said, Etavad hi anushasanam. Anushasanam means teaching. Up till this point only is my teaching. Etavad hi. This I have completed it. Etavad etan matram nadikam asti ashanka kartavya. There is nothing more to be told. That means karma is not required. This is what I had to say. I have said it in no uncertain terms. I have already said everything. 16 mantra. This is the teaching. Sorry, not 16. It's 15 mantra. 15 mantra. 15 mantra. This is what I have to say, and I have already said everything what I had to say. Nachiketas, now I hope what question you asked. Anyatra dharmad, anyatra dharmad, anyatra asmat krata kratacha, anyatra bhutacha bhavyacha, yattat pashyasi tadvad. That was 1.1.14. 1 point, see later on you see in the book, later on you see in your room. 1.1.14, first chapter, first value, second value, 1.2.14. So that is there. So please try to by heart it. It is the crux. You will not understand. He is saying, Nachiketa, you had asked this question. I have answered it in full detail. You don't say, leave it. See it later. I have answered in detail. He is not asking anything else you have to ask because he answered everything. Etavadhi Anushasanam. There is nothing more to talk about it now. There is nothing more. Okay. So this completes the teaching of the of this. But two verses are still there. We'll see it tomorrow.